3 billion people use YouTube every month, but only 1% know how to grow fast. I used to be stuck at zero, uploading random videos and hoping they'd go viral. Nothing worked until I learned the system. Today, I'm sharing the exact steps I used to go from 0 to 10,000 subscribers. We'll cover setup, content strategy, gear, editing, SEO, and the growth hacks no one tells you about. This is your blueprint to starting a real channel in 2024.
Step 1. Sign into YouTube with a fresh Google account. This keeps your brand separate. Click your profile icon, then select Create Channel. Now here's a naming tip. Avoid numbers. A name like Tech with Rahul looks way cleaner and more brandable than Rahul Gamer 123. Want to stand out? Use a short, unique name your audience can remember. And for your channel look, jump into Canva, make a profile pic and banner that fit the right dimensions so you look professional from day one. You don't need a DSLR, just use your phone's back camera and shoot in 1080p. It looks amazing. For audio, even a budget lavalier mic like the Boya BIM1 can make a huge difference compared to your phone's built-in mic. And lighting? Natural light from a window works great, or grab a cheap ring light for around Rs 1000. Watch how much better your video looks with just a few simple upgrades. Editing is easy. Just drag your clips into CapCut, trim out the dead air, and add quick jump cuts to keep the pace engaging. Want to stand out? Add bold text and auto subtitles right in CapCut. And when it's time to design your thumbnail, go for high contrast colors and bold fonts. See how adding red arrows and eye contact boosts your click-through rate by up to 30%? That's the power of a great thumbnail. YouTube ranks videos fast if you optimize them right. Your title needs to include searchable keywords like how to start a YouTube channel in 2024. That's how people find your content. In the description, hook viewers in the first 2 lines and be sure to add timestamps. And don't forget your tags. Use 3 to 5 relevant ones like YouTube growth tips to help the algorithm understand your video. Get this right, and you'll start seeing views faster than you think. Want real growth? Post your first 5 videos before promoting anything. Then take 60-second clips and upload them as YouTube Shorts with How Shorts. It's the fastest way to go viral. And here's the key. Reply to every comment. YouTube rewards engagement. Stick to 1 video per week and you'll grow 10 times faster. Stay consistent, stay visible, and success will follow. Boom, you're now ready to hit upload. Drop a comment below, what's your channel niche? And if this video helped you out, smash that like button. It really supports the channel and helps me keep making more guides just for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.